Good morning students, welcome back to your online classes. So here myself Fawzia Sayyed. So today we're going to continue with Maths 1 Chapter 2 Real Numbers. This is the fourth part of our video. Students, note down that you have to watch each and every video on full screen mode. So let's continue with practice set 2.3. So we are with ongoing surds. Now till question number 4 we have completed. Now question number 5. So the very first question is compare the following pairs of surds. Now we have to compare in the sense which one is greater, which one is smaller. Okay, so how we are going to compare it? Okay, the very first question is 7 root 2 comma 5 root 3. So in this what we are going to do, 7 root 2 is equals to 7 7 जार क्या होता है 49, राइट. तो हम लोगों ने उसको रूट में लिख दिया बिकॉज स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 49 इज 7. So we can write 7 as square root of 49. Multiply by this root 2 will remain as it is. Now 49 multiplied by 2 is nothing but 98. So under root 98. Now second one was 5 root 3 in question. See here. 5 root 3. So what was 5 root 3? 5, we can write 5 as under root 25. Okay, square root of 25 is 5 and multiply by root 3. Now 25 multiplied by 3 is nothing but 75. So we have under root 75 from this 5 root 3. Since 98 is greater than 75, right? So therefore square root of 98 will also be greater than square root of 75. So what is square root of 98? It is nothing but 7 root 2, which is greater than root 75, that is 5 root 3. Okay students? Now second question. Second sub question. Since now what was the question, second one? Root 247, root 274. So now what we're going to do in this case, 247 is less than 274. It means root 247 is less than under root 274. Okay, very easy. Now third one. Since 2 root 7 is equals to root 4 multiplied by root 7, we can write 2 as under root 4 multiply by root 7 will remain as it is. Now 4 7 is 28. So we have square root of 28 for 2 root 7. And what is the second thing? Since 28 is equals to 28, so we can write 28 as root 28 equals to 28. क्वेश्चन क्या दिया है हम लोग को उस पर बेसिस है, राइट. यहाँ 2 root 7 है और root 28 है. सो root 28. तो सिंस अंडर रूट 28 इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट 28, राइट. दोनों का इसका मतलब भी 28 होता है और जो सेकेंड हम लोगों को कंपैरिजन करने जो नंबर दिया है वो भी 28 है. इट मीन्स दैट दिस इज इक्वल फैक्टर. इट मीन्स 2 root 7 इज इक्वल्स टू root 28. ओके स्टूडेंट्स. नाउ फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, 5 root 5 and 7 root 2. सो इन दिस केस वी कैन राइट 5 एज अंडर रूट 25 बिकॉज 25 का स्क्वायर रूट 5 आता है मल्टीप्लाई बाय रूट 5. So 25 5 is nothing but 125 in square root. Okay, so square root of 125 and second term is 7 root 2. So we can write 7 as 7 7s are 49 in square root term multiply by root 2 equals to 49 2s are is nothing but 98. Since 125 is greater than 98, therefore square root of 125 is also greater than square root of 98. So what is square root of 125? It is 5 root 5. What is square root of 98? It is 7 root. Okay students, very easy. Now proceeding towards the fifth question. It is 4 root 42 comma 9 root 2. So we can write 4 as 4 4s are 16 in square root. Square root of 16 is 4. Multiply by root 42. Now 16 multiply by 42 is 672. And in second one 9 root 2. So 9 root 2 how can we write? Under root 9 9s are 81 multiply by square root of 2. 81 multiply by 2 is 162. Square root of 162. Now 672 is greater than 162. So therefore square root of 672 is also greater than square root of 162. But what is square root of 672? It is 4 root 42 is greater than what is 162? Root 162. It is nothing but 9 root 2. So we will write this value in terms of this comparing. So we will get 4 root 42 is greater than 9 root 2. Now sixth question. Since यहाँ sixth question, This is here 5 root 3 and 9. So 5, how can we write 5? Root 25 multiply by 3 root 3 which is equals to root 75. 9 का क्या होता है? 9 9s are 81. Now 81 is greater than 75, right? So in this case root 75 is less than 81. So what is root 75? It is nothing but 5 root 3. And what is root 81? It is 9. So root 75 is less than root 81. So 5 root 3 is less than 9. Okay students. Now 7th question. Here 7 equals to, we can write 7 as under root 49. And we can write 2 root 5 as 2 as root 4 multiply by root 5. So we can write 4 5s are 20 under root 20. Since 49 is greater than 20, so therefore square root of 49 is also greater than square root of 20. But what is square root of 49? It is 7. And what is square root of root 20? It is 2 root 5. So it means that 7 is greater than 2 root 5. Okay students. Now question number 6. We have to simplify this. It is also very easy. The very first question in that is 5 root 3 plus 8 root 3. The condition is that we should have one common thing. Okay. अभी यहाँ पर 5 root 3 plus 8 root 3 में common क्या है? root 3 common है. So we'll take root 3 as common. So from the first term 5 left plus from the second term 8 left. Okay. मतलब हम लोग को इन दोनों में से कोई भी कॉमन टर्म निकालना है. जैसे यहाँ पर कॉमन टर्म रूट 3 है तो रूट 3 को निकाल दिए तो अंदर क्या बचा? 5 plus 8. ओके इन ब्रैकेट. सो व्हाट इज़ 5 plus 8? इट इज़ नथिंग बट 13. सो वी हैव 13 root 3 एज इट इज़. सो 5 root 3 plus 8 root 3 is equals to 13 root 3. Okay. Now second question. 9 root 5 minus 4 root 5 plus under root 125. Now what we are going to do in this case? 9 root 5 minus 4 root 5 plus, we can write 125 as 25 multiplied by 5, right? Because 25 5s are 125. So इसको separate करेंगे हम लोग. ये as it is चलेगा. 9 root 5 minus 4 root 5 plus, so root 25 plus root 5. Now what will going to happen? This root 5 is root 25 is nothing but 5 multiplied by root 5. So we have 5 root 5. So now root 5 is common. So we can take root 5 as common. So we'll get 9 minus 4 plus 5. So 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. So 10 root 5 is the answer. Okay students. Now third one. Here. Third one 7 root 48 minus root 27. So now what we're going to do? We had to ये दोनों इक्वल है तो हम लोग इसको अभी इसमें हम लोग वो नहीं निकाल सकते, कॉमन नहीं निकाल सकते. तो पहले सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे इसे. 7 विल रिमेन एज इट इज़. 48 कैसे लिख सकते हैं हम लोग? 16 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 3 48 माइनस 27 9 3 27 लिख सकते हैं माइनस रूट 3. सो इक्वल्स टू 7 मल्टीप्लाई बाई रूट 16 मल्टीप्लाई बाई रूट 3. बिकॉज ये हम लोगों ने जो 16 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 3 है ना रूट सेपरेट किए माइनस सेम ईयर रूट सेपरेशन रूट 9 मल्टीप्लाई बाई रूट 3 माइनस रूट 3. Now here we can write root 16 as 4 because 4 4s are 16, so square root of 16 is 4. We can write this root 9 as root 3 because 3 because square root of 9 is 3. So here from this 7 multiplied by 4 multiplied by root 3. So 7 into 4 root 3 minus root 9 के बदले 3 आ गया multiply by root 3 तो 3 root 3 minus root 3. Now 7 4s are 28 root 3 minus 3 root 3 minus root 3. So from this 3 of them we have root 3 as common. So we'll take root 3 common. So in this case here 28 left minus 3 left और ये nothing but minus 1 because root 3 पूरा बाहर आ गया. So यहाँ पर कुछ नहीं है तो 1 बचा. So 28 minus 3 is 25. 25 minus 1 is 24. So we have 24 root 3. Okay students. So from this equation, from this question we got 24 root 3 as an simplification. Now fourth question in this, root 7 minus 3 upon 5 root 7 plus 2 root 7. So we have root 7 in 3 of them common, so we can take that. So from here we'll get 1 because root 7 comes out as a common term, so nothing is left, it means 1 is left. Minus 3 upon 5 as root 7 came out, so this is 3 minus 3 upon 5 left. Plus 2 root 7 came out. Now what we're going to do? The denominators are different, but 1 and 2 के denominator कुछ नहीं है तो 1 है. So 1 plus 2 3. So 3 minus 3 upon 5 into root 7. Now cross multiplication, 5 3s are 15 minus 3 upon 5 root 7. 15 minus 3 12. 12 root 7 upon 5. So we have from 4th 12 root 7 upon 5. Now next question, question number 7. Multiply and write the answer in the simplest form. We have to just multiply. It is very easy. So the very first question in this is 3 root 12 multiply by 18. So 3 will remain as it is. Under root वाले multiply हो सकते हैं. So we can write 12 as 4 3s are 12 and 18 as 9 2s are 18. So we'll separate this root from both the sides. So we have root 4 into root 3, root 9 into root 2. So root 4 का आ जाएगा 2 root 3 multiply by 9 का हो जाएगा root 9 का हो जाएगा 3 and root 2 will remain as it is. After that 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18. Okay. See 3 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by root 3 multiply by root वाले टर्म्स को एक साथ लिखिए और नॉन रूट टर्म्स को एक साथ लिखिए. तो 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18. So root 3 2s are 6, so root 6. Okay students, we can add or subtract but we can multiply. Okay students, so 18 root 6. So now second one, 3 root 12 multiply by 7 root 15. So 3 multiply by root 12 को कैसा लिख सकते हैं, 4 multiply by 3 multiply by 7, 5 3s are 15 लिख सकते हैं, राइट. सो नाउ व्हाट विल गोइंग टू डू, 3 विल रिमेन एज इट इज़, रूट 4 का बन जाएगा 2 और रूट 3 एज इट इज़ रहेगा. मल्टीप्लाई बाय 7 रूट 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय रूट 3. यहाँ अगर हम लोगों ने सेपरेशन नहीं भी किया तो चला होता था बिकॉज 5 और 3 का कोई स्क्वायर रूट टर्म नहीं है. ओके, सो नाउ व्हाट विल गोइंग टू डू, 3 2s are 6, तो लाइक टर्म्स एक साथ लिखते 3 2 7 रूट 3 इंटू रूट 3 इंटू रूट 5. So 3 2s are 6, 6 7s are 42. So 42 multiply by root 3 into root 3. So we'll get root 3 into root 3 as 3 because root 3 into root 3 का multiplication 3 होता है. Multiply by root 5. Okay students, equals to 42 multiply by 3 is 126 root 5. So how come this root 3 multiply by root 3 is 3? See here, root 3 है multiply by root 3 है इक्वल्स टू, इसका मतलब ये क्या है, 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 है. इसका मतलब ये क्या है, 3 का स्क्वायर एंड स्क्वायर रूट कैंसिल, विल गेट आंसर एज इक्वल्स टू 3. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, इट्स वेरी इजी. नाउ थर्ड क्वेश्चन इन दिस इज 3 root 8 3 root 8 मल्टीप्लाई बाय रूट 5 इज इक्वल्स टू, हियर वी कैन राइट 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय रूट 8 को कैसा लिख सकते हैं, 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 इन रूट. सो फ्रॉम इन रूट after separation we're going to get root 4 as 2 and this root 2 will remain as it is, multiply by root 5. So again 3 2s are 6, root 2 into root 5, so 2 5s are 10, so root 10. So we have 6 root 10. Now 5 root 2 into 2 root 8 is equals to 5 multiply by 2 root 8 into root 8. So 5 2s are 10, root 8 into root 8 is 8. So 5 2s are 10 multiply by 8 is 80. Okay students. Now question number 8. So in this divide and write the form, the very first is root 98 divided by root 2. So root 98 divided by root 2 we can write in 1 under root also. So 98 by 2, 2 1s are 2. So how can we divide this, 2 divided by 98. So 2 4s are 8, 9 minus 8 1, 2 9s are 18 0. So we have 49. Okay, so we can write this under root 49 which is nothing but 7. Easy. Now second one. Now second question from here, root 125 upon root 50. We can write overall like this. Now how can we write this, हम लोग डायरेक्ट भी कैंसलेशन कर सकते हैं. सो डायरेक्ट कैसे करोगे वो बताती हूँ. और यहाँ पर कैसा किया गया, 125 25 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5, 50 25 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2, 25 25 कैंसिल, 5 बाय 2 रिमेनिंग हो गया. और ऐसा नहीं आता तो हम नॉर्मल डिवीजन भी कर सकते हैं, नो इश्यूज़. 50 125, 5 10s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. So we have 5 by 2 in under root. Okay students. So now third one, root 54 upon root 27. So under root 54 upon 27. So 27 54 कौन से सेम टेबल में आते हैं, सेम 27 की आते हैं. So let's check. 27 multiplied by 2, 54. So it means that if we divide 27 by 54, so we'll have 27 2s are 54, 0, 0. So we can write as root 2. Okay students. Now fourth question, under root 30 upon रूट 5 इज इक्वल्स टू 310 अपॉन 5 विच इज़ इक्वल्स टू 310 को कैसे लिख सकते हैं हम लोग 5 के टर्म्स के हैं, 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 62, और एल्स वी कैन डू लाइक दिस ऑल्सो 310 अपॉन 5. सो 5 1s are 5, 5 6s are 30, 1 remaining, 5 2s are 10. So we have 62. So under root 62. Okay students. Now question number 9. So here rationalize the denominator. We have to rationalize. So let's see what is rationalization. So 3 root 5 है, 3 upon root 5 है. So we have to rationalize. Rationalize in the sense see 3 upon root 5 है. So root 5 है, जो डिनोमिनेटर में रहेगा हम लोग उसको मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड बाय करेंगे. जो भी स्क्वायर रूट होता है ना उसके उसको मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड करते हैं. तो 3 अपॉन रूट 5 इज इक्वल्स टू रूट 5 अपॉन रूट 5. ओके. सो रूट 5 इंटू रूट 5 हम लोग को पता है क्या होने वाले हैं, और ऊपर न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई होगा, डिनोमिनेटर से होगा. सो 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय रूट 5 अपॉन रूट 5 इंटू रूट 5. सो वी हैव 3 रूट 5 अपॉन रूट 5 इंटू रूट 5 इज 5. ओके. तो दिस इज द रैशनलाइजेशन फॉर्म. सो 1 अपॉन रूट 14 है, तो डिनोमिनेटर में क्या है, रूट 14 है. तो जो भी रूट वाले टर्म्स रहेगा ना, तो वो रूट वाले टर्म्स से हम लोग को मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड करना है. So 1 upon root 14 into root 14 upon root 14. So now 1 into root 14 is 1 root 14 upon root 14 into root 14 is 14. So we'll have root 14 upon 14. Third one, 5 upon root 7 is equals to 5 upon root 7 multiplied by root 7 upon root 7. So 5 into root 7 is 5 root 7. Root 7 multiplied by root 7 is 7. Okay, this is the rationalization form. Now fourth one, 6 upon 9 root 3 is equals to 6 upon 9 root 3. तो यहाँ पर सिर्फ रूट 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, जो सिर्फ स्क्वायर में उसी से करना है. सो मल्टीप्लाइंग न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर बाय रूट 3. सो विल हैव 6 इंटू रूट 3, 6 रूट 3 अपॉन 9 रूट 3 इंटू रूट 3 एज 3. सो 6 रूट 3 अपॉन 9 इंटू 3 विच इज़ इक्वल्स टू 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. ये कैंसिल होगा ना, 3 के टेबल में आते हैं 3 और 6. Then we'll have 2 root 3 upon 9. Okay students. Now fifth question, 11 upon root 3. So we will multiply the numerator denominator by root 3. So root 3 upon root 3, we have 11 root 3 upon 3. Okay, that's it. For today we have completed our exercise practice set 2.3. Complete your notes properly, and I'll provide you chapter 1 as well as chapter 2 notes PDF 2. Okay students, but you have to attend lecture properly.